As a child, I had the unique opportunity of accompanying my father in making house calls to his patients. That influence, along with spending countless weekends in the emergency room and shadowing my college athletic residents, inspired me to pursue medicine as a career. Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Billings. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in sports medicine and joint reconstruction of the shoulder and knee. During my fellowship training here in Orlando, I was mentored by the most talented surgeon I have ever known, and I couldn't turn down the opportunity to work with him. Without question, he demonstrated an exceptional patient care and achieving excellent results for his patients. And nearly 25 years later, I'm still motivated by his expertise. I will always be here to make a thorough evaluation of your symptoms and give you my honest opinion as how to best alleviate your pain and manage those symptoms. Whether your treatment is operative or non-operative, I'll always care for you as though you are family, because here, our patients are family, and it will always be my privilege to care for you. I look forward to serving you.